What you doing? What's all this white stuff out here?
Snow.
Snow?
Yeah.
Is there a lot of it?
Yeah.
How come?
Because there was a storm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And a whole bunch of snow. It fell. A lot of snow fell
Yeah.
at night and during the day.
And there's tons of snow on the roof, so you can't go on the roof.
Yeah.
You can only go outside. What's this kind of thing? Oh. I just covered up these holes.
Can I throw you in the snow?
What?
Can I throw you in the snow?
No.
Why?
I just don't want you to.
Come on, let me just pick you up and go whoosh, throw you whoosh.
And I'm waiting for Makenna, and you might throw me all the way back there.
Yeah.
You might fall all the way down.
And then what happens?
Then I would have to climb back all the way up.
Yeah. That's what we should do, right? We should throw you in the snow.
No.
Why?
I want to wait for Makenna before I even step out in the big snow.